Good afternoon, this is Trey with Build Idaho and Full Sail Real Estate, and today I want to talk to you with Jill about money, because money is the most important thing in a real estate transaction. So tell me some of the things that a person who's looking to buy a home should be aware of when they're looking to buy a home and they need to talk to somebody like you.
First thing they need to be aware of is that every single situation is unique. They are unique, okay? So we really take that into consideration. So although we might only be using 3 or 4 different loan products, they're the same, that person's unique. So we want to look at each of them as an individual.
Yep.
So we're going to need to look at, driver's license, pay stubs. We need to look at their 17, 18, right now basically, their W-2s. Pay stubs, bank statements. So we're going to identify them and their specific individual situation.
And when they call you, what should they have in front of them to have a productive and meaningful conversation with you?
The basic things are what's their monthly income, what do they want to be able to put down on a property, what's their long-term expectation. As far as one of the biggest questions I ask them is, what's your comfortable monthly payment? They want to know what they qualify for. So what you qualify for on paper isn't really relative to what they are comfortable spending on a monthly basis.
Because you can eat or not eat every month.
Correct, exactly. We don't want them to be lifestyle poor, in terms of, hey, we live in a beautiful, wonderful state, amazing community with lots of things to do, and we want them to be able to go out and enjoy that.
Right.
And kids got to eat.
And what kind of expectations should they have about the monthly payment? Like, how do you help them determine what that looks like? Because what if I have no idea?
Well, we want them to understand that monthly payment is going to include obviously their principal and interest. It's going to encompass their taxes, their insurance. If they've got homeowner fees, they're going to pay those direct, but we're going to include that in calculating what they can afford.
Cool.
So sometimes they don't understand that. Also, it may include private mortgage insurance. So we have to include that as far as what it may, what we're going to use to qualify them, as well as it's going to be used, what they're going to have to pay out on a monthly payment. Monthly basis as well.
Perfect. If you have questions about money, Jill Cattano has all the answers. And Jill, how can they get a hold of you?
JillCattano.com.
Thank you.